All right, unboxing the new Apple Watch Ultra. So there is actually a little tab here, so I guess maybe I should use that. I was gonna cut this open, but all right, little tab. This is for the external box. Oh, nice. Okay, there it is. Watch. It's actually kind of heavy, to be honest. I mean, it's got some heft to it. Let's see if it's got the airtight thing. Nope, doesn't look like it does. So I guess on this, it's a little different than what they normally do with their little airtight thing. So I guess we pull these back. And then this slides off, or comes down, I guess. So it's sort of like a little, I don't know what it is, but sort of like a little wave thing, I guess, because I got the water version, so it's sort of a wave thing. And cool, okay. It's got a nice little cover here. This is the right direction, so I guess, oh, it just separates out. There's the band, and this has got the little tabs on the back here. One there, one there. So that's pretty standard. Just gonna peel those back here. So once you peel those tabs off, now you got that classic Apple airtight thing. It's like you gotta just hold it and wait for it and be patient, or shake it until it comes off. So there's that. Yeah, it looks nice. It's wow, it's pretty heavy. Shockingly, feels quite hefty compared to the Series 6 that I had before. And this, I guess, is just the cable. Comes with a USB-C cable, it looks like. Yep, I've already got plenty of chargers and stuff, so this I'll probably just leave in the box. But let's see here. This looks kind of cool. Let's see. Very shiny. I don't know. Break that off, I guess. I don't know how this is supposed to be open, so just peel it off, you know, whatever. I'm sure there's some sort of special technique, but that was not it. But wow, it's super heavy. It's like hefty. Huh. There's the action button and everything on here. Sapphire glass, and it's great. Looking forward to it.